Riot is not the word for it. I think the word is R-I-O-T. And every window in the Melbourne Club was smashed. Whereas thousands of us marched here, and there was only a few police at the door. We forced our way in and took over the Melbourne Club. All the guests were inside, and they weren't pleased to see us. They weren't welcoming. And so there's a lush courtyard out the back where they ushered their guests in because the rabble were coming in through the front door uninvited. A good time was had by all. And eventually though, I was grabbed and thrown out. The friendly policeman picked me up by my head, by my legs and my arms and just threw me into the crowd. The crowd was thousands, a bit bigger than we've got today, unfortunately. But some others, stayed inside much longer and were arrested and charged with riot. At one stage, after I'd been thrown out, we'd been here for hours, and it was a warm night, so I went off and got cans of drinks to give to people to keep them going. The trouble was the cans of drinks didn't last very long because people were grabbing them out of the bucket that I was bringing back and then chucking them through the windows. But anyhow, one of the best things of it was that a whole series of people were charged with riot. They wouldn't let them out, so the crowd stayed there for hours demanding they be released. And eventually we had to march back to the City Watch House at the time, where eventually they were released. They went to trial with charge of riot. The thing was, the staff were called to give evidence, and it was pretty clear the staff serving in the Melbourne Club had no great love for the patrons. So it was pretty clear with all the evidence, the staff was saying, oh, it was really good, I enjoyed myself, oh, there was no big problem, and so on, what you're going on about. And the jury were winking at the defendants. So they were all got off. Yeah, it was quite amazing. It was clearly it was a riot. People had forced their way into the building. The place had been trashed. But the Melbourne Club was so hated, they thought, well, people that were rioting at the Melbourne Club were doing a public